For Colorado homes, there are several different siding options that people tend to choose, from vinyl, composite wood, fiber cement. Colorado is what we call a hardboard market, which means most of the siding that we have on the homes in Colorado is some sort of hardboard type of siding. That could be composite wood, or there's a lot of fiber cement because a lot of people are removing composite wood and putting on fiber cement. So most popular product for fiber cement is James Hardie. That's the best, most durable option. James Hardie is something that Bellwether does a lot of. Each year, Bellwether puts upwards of 1 million square feet of James Hardie on Colorado homes. James Hardie is a product that Bellwether has chosen to align themselves with because of their commitment to quality and durability. James Hardie comes with a factory applied coating of paint called Color Plus. So when you get James Hardie Color Plus siding, that paint is baked on to the siding, and that coating comes with a 15-year finish warranty. James Hardie has 2 different formulations. It's the only siding brand that actually has 2 different formulations formulated for climate. Where we're at in the mountain region, it's called HZ5. HZ5 siding is Hardie's formulation for siding that is specifically formulated for our snow, our hot summers, cold winters, moisture. It's going to be the most durable product because of that. When it comes to replacing composite wood, one of the problems that people have in our climate is that composite wood siding will start to come apart at the edges. As you get edge checking and moisture starts to seep into the wood, you get that freeze-thaw cycle that happens with freezing cold temperatures at night, hot temperatures during the day, and that just causes the product to come apart even more. If you think about composite wood type of furniture, like IKEA furniture, and you imagine taking some of that and putting that on your house, that's what is on most houses in Colorado. So you can imagine that's not very durable in the weather, in our snow, wind, rain, all of that. When we replace that with James Hardie, you get a lifetime product.